Okay, this is 2015 Jetta SE. Probably running the 1.8 TSI engine. Yeah, this is an early SE. It doesn't even have the leatherette seats or entertainment. I mean, my 14 was an SE, and it had leatherette seating. But I sure do like these cars. I mean, I loved my Jetta, my 14 Jetta. I should have never, ever sold that car. That was a fantastic car. I don't care what anybody says about Volkswagen. My Jetta SE was great. Loved it. This one's got 90,000 miles. And I'm really surprised it doesn't have the leatherette seats. But it has heated seats. So it's kind of oddly equipped. And it has alloys. So, yeah, it's just a little bit of an odd bird. But these things drive so good. This one has not, like I said, 90,000 miles. So far it feels okay, but let's see. Yeah, it feels pretty good. These things go down the interstate like a missile. I mean, like a Mercedes does. They track good. They love 90, 100 miles per hour. Man, the 15 didn't even have a dang infotainment. It just had plain old, you basic stuff like this. And it had an iPod hookup here in the glove box. Oh yeah, this thing's strong. It's got the go. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Been taken care of. This is the good one for sure. The 15 had a little update over my 14. Had a new steering wheel and new tail lights. They also updated the little climate control, plus added the push button start. Mine had a key, but mine had leatherette seats. It was really weird, but they weren't heated. It gets confusing with the Volkswagens, man. These dang Germans, man, they like to make it confusing on your ass. I think it's the 1.8 turbo, but I just want to make sure. It's a pretty clean car, too. It smells good. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. It's got a few stains on that seat. But overall, it seems pretty good. Looks like we're running some new Michelins. That's nice to see. Yeah, got new Michelin tires on it. Man, they are brand new too. Boy, I'd make for a good ride going down the road. Yeah, that's the 1.8T. Great motor, man. Great motor. Always had such good luck out of these. I had it my 14 Jetta and my 15 Passat. Thing originally came from, well, not originally from CarMax. It ended up at CarMax at some point in its life. Now it's a trade-in at the Honda dealership. So we know it's at least a two-owner car. Rain setting in, folks. Lane 4. Sorry about the seatbelt warning, guys. It's just so much hassle to put it on and off, you know. Man, they got some nice looking newer Altimas. There's one of those new Ford Expeditions. What are you doing, buddy? I need you to wake up. Come alive. Come alive. Come to me. Come to me. Yeah, I like this. Nice car. We might bid on this one tomorrow. Like, comment, throw me your comments. Subscribe. Peace.